So for this one, I'm taking half a strip of a 3mm off-white and we're going to quill it. The good thing about doing flowers is nothing in nature is exactly the same. So, need a few more of those. And I'm going to take this, it's like a greeny grey, and I'm going to make this into the stem. I'm just after about that size. So once you've got it folded, you know where your creases are going to be. And then I'm going to go in with some glue and glue this to make it a bit thicker and stiffer. This isn't the thinnest paper that I've used, but it is on the thin side. So that's why I'm thickening it up a bit, but I think any quilling paper would need it stiffening up a little bit at least anyway. So I've done it into thirds and I'm just going to snap off the excess. And then with this one, it's a matter of lining these up and sticking them to this piece. So just to make it a bit easier to stand up, I'm going to put one on each side and then I'm just going to go up and down this and stick these in place.